Upgrade your engine's performance with this durable gasket set designed for brush cutters and garden tools. These precision-cut black rubber gaskets ensure a perfect seal, preventing oil and fuel leaks while withstanding high temperatures and pressure. Ideal for DIY mechanics and professionals. They offer easy installation and long-lasting reliability, keeping your equipment running smoothly, season after season. Scan the QR code in the upper right corner to check prices and delivery options. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful reviews and gardening tips. Key features include high temperature resistance, multiple size options, simple installation, and compatibility with most brush cutter models.